Hello everyone, today I will show you how to do VFD wiring and programming using Danfloss LCP Simulator. To reset the simulator, just press this reset button, or to energize, just turn it off, then go to quick menus, and then go to quick setup. Press OK, and now we go to motor power. Here, motor power. Now as you can see on my chosen motor template, you can see it is in 5 HP, so this 4 kilowatt motor power is good to go. Now next we go to the motor voltage. Now in my chosen motor template, the voltage is set to 460, so I'll just change the 60 volts into 460 volts. And to do that, press OK, and then click arrows here to change it. There, 460. Now next click OK and go to motor frequency. Here, motor frequency. On my chosen template, it is 60 Hz, so I just need to change this 50 into 60. Now press OK, and then just change it to 60. Now next we go to motor current. Here, motor current. The motor current on my chosen template is 6.7 amperes and my surf factor is 1.15. Now we multiply these two and we get 7.705. Now I'll just change this motor content to 7.705. So 0, and then we'll just round it up to 1 then. There. Now this is done. Click OK. Now we go to motor nominal speed. Motor nominal speed. Press OK. Now we change this into 50 RPM. 0, 0. 0. 5. And click OK. Now next we go to motor speed high limit. Motor speed high limit, and we change it to 750. Click OK. Now click hands on and we're done. Thank you for watching.